Right, you lot. Have you ever looked at a plate of food and thought, this is boring, needs more color and flavor? Well, stop right there because I'm about to show you how to elevate your dishes with the power of fruit. We're talking juicy mangoes, vibrant berries, creamy avocados, the lot. They can transform your meals from bland to brilliant, adding a whole new dimension of flavor and texture. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, get ready to learn how to use these 10 incredible fruits to make your meals sing. First up is the avocado. Now I know some of you are thinking guacamole, and while that's a bloody delicious use for it, don't you dare limit yourselves. This creamy, buttery fruit is a culinary chameleon. Slice it on top of a salad for a dose of healthy fats and a velvety texture. Smash it on toast with some chili flakes for a quick and satisfying breakfast. Or blend it into a smoothie with some spinach and banana for a power-packed start to your day. When you're picking an avocado, give it a gentle squeeze. It should have a slight give, not be rock hard. Next up, let's talk about pineapple, the king of tropical fruit. This beauty brings a tangy sweetness to the table that can liven up any dish. Grilled pineapple alongside some jerk chicken is a match made in heaven. The char from the grill intensifies the sweetness, creating a caramelized crust that's simply divine. Don't even get me started on pineapple salsa. It's fresh, vibrant, and adds a real kick to your tacos or grilled fish. And if you're feeling adventurous, try throwing some into a curry for a sweet and sour twist. Now let's talk about mango, the king of fruits. This golden delight is like sunshine in every bite, bringing a juicy sweetness that's simply irresistible. Mangoes are fantastic in salads, adding a tropical twist to your greens. Pair them with some grilled chicken or shrimp, a sprinkle of feta, and a light vinaigrette, and you've got yourself a flavor explosion. And let's not forget about smoothies. Mangoes blend beautifully with yogurt, milk, and a touch of honey for a refreshing and healthy treat. You can even freeze them and use them to make delicious mango sorbet. Right, next up is the humble apple. Sure, it's delicious in pies and crumbles, but don't underestimate its savory side. Try adding diced apples to your pork chops while they're cooking. The sweetness of the apple cuts through the richness of the pork, creating a symphony of flavor in your mouth. And let's not forget about salads. Thinly sliced apples add a delightful crunch and a touch of sweetness to any salad, especially when paired with walnuts, blue cheese, and a tangy vinaigrette. Next on our hit list is the blueberry. Now these little gems may be small, but they're packed with antioxidants and a whole lot of flavor. Blueberries are a breakfast staple in my book. They're fantastic in pancakes, adding a burst of sweetness and a delightful pop of color. And don't even get me started on blueberry muffins. Try adding blueberries to your yogurt, granola, or even your oatmeal for a nutritious and flavorful boost. Let's talk about strawberries, the darling of summer fruits. These bright red beauties are bursting with sweetness and a juicy texture that's impossible to resist. Now, strawberries are obviously fantastic in desserts, from classic strawberry shortcake to creamy strawberry ice cream. But have you ever tried them in savory dishes? Trust me, balsamic glazed strawberries with chicken is a game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tomatoes, Gordon, in a fruit video? But listen up, because technically, tomatoes are fruits. And they're an essential ingredient in countless savory dishes. A good tomato sauce is the backbone of Italian cuisine, from classic pasta dishes to hearty pizzas. Juicy tomatoes add a burst of freshness and flavor to any salad, especially when paired with fresh mozzarella, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. Let's move on to something a bit more exotic. The pomegranate. These ruby red jewels are packed with juicy, tangy seeds that add a burst of flavor and texture to any dish. Pomegranate seeds are a fantastic addition to salads, adding a sweet and tart crunch that cuts through the richness of other ingredients. Sprinkle them on top of a salad with grilled chicken, feta cheese, and a lemon vinaigrette, and you've got yourself a flavor explosion. Next up is the kiwi, a small fruit with a big personality. These fuzzy brown fruits are hiding a vibrant green flesh that's bursting with tangy tropical flavor. Kiwi is a fantastic addition to fruit salads, adding a refreshing tartness that balances out the sweetness of other fruits, and if you're feeling adventurous, try grilling them. Grilling kiwi brings out its natural sweetness and creates a caramelized crust that's simply divine. For a truly show-stopping dessert, try making a pavlova with whipped cream and fresh kiwi slices. Finally, let's talk about the banana, a kitchen staple that's often overlooked. These curved yellow fruits are packed with potassium and energy, making them the perfect snack or ingredient for countless dishes. Bananas are a breakfast staple in my book. They're delicious, sliced on toast with peanut butter, blended into smoothies, or mashed into pancakes. And let's not forget about banana bread. It's the perfect way to use up overripe bananas in a delicious treat any time of day. For a healthier dessert option, Try freezing bananas and blending them into nice cream. And there you have it, you lot. 10 incredible fruits that will elevate your cooking from amateur hour to restaurant quality. So get in the kitchen, get creative, and don't be afraid to try something new. Now tell me, which fruit are you going to use to transform your next culinary masterpiece? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!